Dear doctors, I am Dr. Mansoor Ali, Professor, Government Homeopathy Medical College, Calicut, Kerala of South India. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about how to practice homeopathy and other alternative systems like Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, Chinese medicines, etc. in the state of Qatar. We will discuss in detail about the rules and regulation, the document, the data flow, the examination, placement, etc. in detail about the state of Qatar. So, Qatar, how to practice homeopathy and other complementary and alternative systems of medicine. Qatar is the biggest spender on healthcare in the Middle East. 90% of the residents are satisfied with the health services. Qatar ranks as the second safest country in the world. Qatar ranks as the second most stable country in the Middle East also. So the most safest and the most stable country in the Middle East. Qatar has the highest GDP per capita in the world. Qatar Airways, the winner of the world's best airline award, connects Doha to more than 150 destinations across 6 continents. Qatar has a track record for successfully hosting large-scale international conferences, events and sports. QCHP, Qatar Council for Healthcare Practitioners, that is the authority, the accreditation authority for complementary and alternative medicine practitioners. The practice of alternative forms of medical treatment like homeopathy, Ayurveda and acupuncture has been officially approved by the Qatar Council for Healthcare Practitioners in January 2016. The regulatory framework will standardize this complementary medicine practice so that only licensed qualified practitioners will be issued a medical license and allowed to practice in the country of Qatar. According to the CEO, Dr. Samar, the regulation of complementary medicine by QCHP has been one of the decisions long awaited by the public in Qatar. However, as of our concern is always patient safety, we wanted to assess the impact of this decision before beginning the official implementation. Now, something useful to the existing practitioners. They will be given a grace period to correct and fix their situation in order to become fully registered and permitted to practice legally in the state of Qatar. Now, the basic qualification and experience required. A professional degree of BHMS or BAMS of not less than 5 years, including the internship. Current license or registration to practice in the home or the last employment country. And the experience not less than 2 years after the internship. That's a criteria in Qatar. Or 3-year full-time certified accredited homeopathy programs. So you have to wait at least 2 years after completing the internship. Now some information regarding starting a clinic. Remember, the complementary medicine practitioners are currently not given the privilege of starting an independent clinic or a solo clinic, but given the opportunity to work under any licensed employer in healthcare industry in Qatar, such as polyclinic or private hospitals. And as of now, getting the license in Qatar as a homeopathic physician is not so easy. Moreover, there is no clarity on the medicine availability also. But don't worry. Now something interesting about the data flow. Submit your documents to data flow for verification process. They will decide whether the qualifications and experiences are sufficient. You have to have a valid Qatari resident permit. Application under the present hospital or polyclinic is a must. And remember, only the copy of the certificates is required for the data flow. And attestation not required for the certificates. In countries like UAE, you must have the attestation of the certificates, but in Qatar, the attestation not required for the certificates. And certificate of good standing And you have to obtain a certificate of good standing CGS from the registration department of your last place of work. And this should be sent from the registration department directly to the QCHP through email. And for this only original is accepted. If you worked in India as well as in another country, produce CGS from both countries. And remember, this is not a document which is to be obtained from the institution you worked, but from the registration authority of the state, like the Travancore Cochin Medical Council or the Delhi Council or the Central Council of Homeopathy, etc. In Kerala, it's degree certificate and the valid license are to be submitted at the Travancore Cochin Medical Council, requesting for a certificate of good standing. You can apply through their website, TCMC website, www.medicalcouncilkerala.gov.in. You have to pay rupees 5,000 INR. And remember, the good standing certificate is valid only for the 6 months. So this should be collected from the registration department, the concerned medical council of your state or country. Now some guidelines to allied healthcare professionals. Step-by-step approach. Apply online for evaluation, complete and submit the application with all the required documents. Pay the fees. The application after submission or the payment will go to the employer representative's landing page. The employer representative must review the documents, ensure that they are complete, approve and submit the application. Registration section will check the results of the primary source verification. Then they will issue the following documents that can be printed from the employer's representative's landing page. That's a preliminary evaluation and a CID letter. So you have to apply online. The website www.qchp.org.qa. Click the login to medical licensing registration system. Then click sign up for new applicant. Enter all the mandatory details and click sign up button. Make sure the email ID is valid, since you will need to activate it after the account has been created. So this is the procedure. Now the documents required. Nearly 10 type of documents that may be required. Copy of valid passport. Copy of valid QID, front and back, or the national number with the copy of the document. One recent photograph. An up-to-date CV, preferably 1 page. Copy of all academic certificates relevant to applicant's scope with the official transcript. Copy of the recent work experience certificate with an issue date required according to the applicant's scope. Copy of the valid medical or registration licenses accompanying the required years of work. Copy of the primary source verification report. The verification report will be reviewed during this phase. So, any misleading information provided will result in further investigations and could result in the disciplinary action. Then copy of the passing certificates of the qualifying examination if applicable. So these are all the documents required. Now the scope of practice. And remember, in Qatar now it is in the beginning stage. So you might have some hurdles, but don't worry. Now what are the scope of practice? Physical examinations and requested laboratory examination consistent with their education and training for diagnostic purpose, including clinical laboratory test and physiological function test. You can administer or order homeopathic or Ayurvedic medicine in pharmaceutical dosage form and over-the-counter medicines registered with the SCH approved product list. And you can provide nutritional, dietary and preventive medicine advice also. So, even though it is in the beginning stage, definitely you will get enough number of patients in the state of Qatar. Now the online registration link www.qchp.org.qa, and you will get the guidelines and some other useful links in their QCHP.org website itself. So just click on this link. Please do visit our website homeobook.com, the largest portal on homeopathic education and research. We have more than 6,000 PowerPoint presentations from anatomy to repertory. More than 8,000 plus articles for the first BHMS to PhD in homeopathy. And homeobook.com is the largest placement portal in homeopathy. and good number of competitive exam materials from the first BHMS to MOH examinations, and the scope of homeopathy across the globe. If you would like to practice in Australia, in Canada, in Oman, or in any state or any country across the globe, you will get the details in our website homeobook.com. So please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. My channel is youtube.com/drmansurali, and also subscribe to our Facebook page, the largest number of homeopathy practitioners. That is in this Facebook page, homeobook.com. So you can email me at similima@yahoo.com or WhatsApp me at 9249337799. My personal website is drmansurali.com. Currently, I am working as a professor in the Government Homeopathy Medical College, Calicut, Kerala. So, best wishes to all. And dear doctors, so far we have discussed about how to practice homeopathy and other alternative systems in the state of Qatar, the rules and regulations, and the documents required, the examination, placement, etc. So, thank you for watching our channel. Keep in touch, and that's all for the time being. Thank you.